the next minutes, I'm going to show you how to build your first AI app using Python. No complex math, no advanced knowledge, just simple code. Let's go. This is what we're building today. A simple AI motivational quote generator. Every time you run it, it gives you a different motivational message, and it takes less than 20 lines of code. First, open your code editor, create a new file called app. Now we import the random module. Right, import random. The random module allows us to randomly choose an item from a list. Now, let's create our list of motivational quotes. Right, quotes equals open bracket. Keep going, you're doing great. Success starts with small steps. Consistency beats motivation. You are capable of amazing things. Close bracket. This is our AI's brain. Now, we select a random quote. Right, print random.choice quotes. And that's it. Run the program. Each time you run it, you get a different motivational message. That's your first AI style app. Let's make it interactive. Replace the print line with name equals input. What's your name? Then print name plus comma plus random choice quotes. Now the AI talks directly to the user. Much cooler. And just like that, you built your first Python AI app. Simple idea, clean code, real result. If you want more Python projects like this, subscribe. Next time, we'll build something even cooler.